you guys pay the driver?
I've once tried it before.
Nang puna yun na veil.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste. This joy deep down inside me, I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Feel inside, too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city, and I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
We are going to hiatus. We are late, right? You guys, it's literally around 1 or 2.
This day that God has given me, I'm not going.
Latino.
This joy deep down inside me, I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cup car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city, and I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
Washa. Saya. Ingat man.
Hi guys, welcome back. I'm looking very very rusty, but we're back. It's another vlog. I just got a PR package. This is my third PR package of the year. Like, you better talk that bitch from my mouth to God, and God said I'm gonna answer your prayers, my dear. So I got another package. This is a PR package, and I'm gonna unbox. I know where it's from, but like I am not sure what's inside, so we're gonna unbox and find out together. I actually didn't anticipate, I didn't actually expect this package to arrive so early, because they asked for my address not so long ago. So yeah, I was a bit shocked, but anyway, yeah.
Kicked her right out of the front door. I'm picking, and every time she go to call my phone, I'm busy. I heard it's some niggas that's on my head. I heard it's some niggas that's on my brain.
Oh, this is quite big.
Oh my God. Y'all niggas bet you me for y'all up. Pull out a hole, pull out a whole lot of meds. Yeah, pull out a whole lot of clothes. Nigga be stealing my sweat.
This is what's inside. It's so cute, guys.
Yeah, pull out a whole lot of red rubies on my neck. Pussy, he came with a team. And the brick, he came with a bit. I can teach.
Welcome to Eternal Return.
All I'm gonna say, guys, is whenever you pray, be specific in your prayers. I literally manifested like this, like 2 years back, like literally. Now I'm literally like, oh my god, okay, this is so heavy. I guess this is what's inside. So cute. Like, anyway, you guys, it was a magvula because I didn't read even that. It was a magvula actually packaging, because I didn't read the description, but and stuff. So yeah. So this is what's inside. How am I gonna open the? This is what's inside. Oh, I got a shit mask. Oh my goodness. I got this. This is a shit mask, I guess. It's like a shit mask. Yeah. Guys, there's so many things. There's so many stuff. So many products. You guys, I am so excited. If you guys are doubting posting your content, go. What the fuck you waiting for? Because bitch, if you wanna be a content creator, you better start putting that shit on your head. Literally, better start putting that shit on your head. The moment you start treating yourself like an influencer, trust me, you'll be lying. Cause I'm literally, guys, I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you what's inside. I got this. This is like a turmeric soap. It smells. This is a turmeric soap. Then I also got this. This is a face wash. This is a face wash. I got a face wash. Then I got a mask. This is a nail pure wash. Face wash, I guess. This is how it looks like. My camera is just like, then I also got, this is another mask. Look guys, I'm so spoiled today. I won't be buying skincare for the next coming months. Cause yeah. Then I also got a scrub. I didn't thought like that was like the same shit, but like it's not. Anyway, you guys, so this is what's inside. It's a toothpaste. Look how big this thing is. Like literally, I won't be buying a toothpaste for the next coming months. Hopefully, like I'm so excited. Like I won't be buying Colgate for the next coming months. Not even months. Yeah, months I think. Cause this is a Hi guys, welcome. I know what the last sleep because I didn't have enough space, but anyway, I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that I got during the week. Yeah, so I got this hat. This was like a this was to me because I wanted something like this, but my friend ordered one from Shein and the list Togo. So obviously it's too cool, so I was like, I'm not getting it. I'd rather get it from someone. But the hat still came big, but I'm not mad because I think maybe really it's supposed to be big, or I don't know. But this is how it looks like. Let me show you guys. This is how the hat looks like. Really, this was the aim, because I didn't put it like so something like this. Let me actually show you guys because I think it looks really good. Oh yeah, this is how the head looks like. Like it's supposed to be like until Vala in a way. So oh, it actually looks nice. Yeah, so I got this hat from Leia. I'm gonna put her handle somewhere here so you guys can go to her. She does like very cute stuff like swimwear, your t-shirts, your skates. She does like a lot of stuff. So if you guys want something you guys can go check it out. I bought this for, I think it was 120 or 130, I'm not sure, because I made the payment long time ago. So yeah. Then I went to Clicks to get I went to Clicks because I wanted a body spritzer. So yeah, we're gonna do a haul. I bought this body spritzer. This is the Vanilla Villa. I love this one. And it's their last. That is what I like about it. Like it literally smells good. Don't mind the PJ guys, like because I'm showering like now. So I bought this, and I also bought makeup. I didn't plan to buy makeup, but the makeup was very less. Like in makeup, they took a discount. Like there was a whole sale going on, so I was like, there's no way you can get it. So I bought this L'Oreal foundation. Very cutesy. It looks very nice. This is how the foundation looks like, but this shade is very light, but obviously I'm a makeup artist, so I'm gonna use it on my clients. Very cute, guys, and the original price is literally insane. If being a hook discount, I don't think I was gonna afford this foundation. So yeah, then this is the second foundation that I bought. This is an Essence foundation. I've never used this foundation, but it looks like it's a full coverage, and it lasts for 12 hours. Yeah, and it is CPF, I think, and it looks like nothing matte in a way. I don't know, very dark, but I think this is my skin shade anyway. So yeah, then I also bought a palette. Then I also bought this cute palette. I love the color of this palette, guys. I want to try like creating nice looks. Let me show you guys how it looks. This is how the palette looks like. It's like a glittery black shade in a way. I'm not putting your bone up, but like, yeah, very cute. I love the way it looks. And I also bought this cute one. This one was expensive though, but the quality is insane, and there was no way I was gonna leave it. So this is how it looks like. There's like this shade. This is like this is almost like the same shade as that one, and then we have this beautiful shade as well. It's like a dark gold situation going on. Yeah, that's pretty much what I bought. Anyway, you guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel for more content. You share the video, you like, you comment. You guys are so weird for watching my videos and not commenting or liking. Like, how are people going to see my content or come across my content if you guys don't comment? Don't be weird, just comment. Even if it's an emoji, it like literally doesn't take anything away from you, period. Like, just comment, bruh. Like, I need to be motivated, like, period. Like, sign up. And next week is my birthday. On Sunday, it's my birthday. I actually wanted to take myself out on a spa date, you know. I actually wanted to book like a hotel, not like like a hotel for like a day, sleep there, you know, get a massage, you know, look pretty and stuff, you know, have some lunch and breakfast, all of those things. But I'm not sure because my finances, I'm not sure, but hopefully maybe I'm like, you know. So yeah, that's pretty much what's happening. So this week I'm gonna be working hard. If you guys wanna get your makeup done, your lashes done, your installation done, don't hesitate to hit me up because I am saving money for my birthday, bitches. Anyway, bye guys. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But yeah, bye.
你准备好了吗？
I turned to an addict, I brought